Hello guys, my name is Mahir. In this video today I will show you one way that will allow you to start making money as affiliate just by referring people to come to this app, to this website here. It's called Blur Screen app. Just by referring people to come to this website, if they purchase something, one of these if they buy the basic or professional or team, if they buy this, you will get a commission by just referring someone to buy this. One of these, you will get a commission. So how will you be referring? There's a lot of ways on how you can do this. You can refer people through YouTube, or you can do it through Facebook or WhatsApp. If somebody comes to this blue anything on the screen to this website here and sign up one of these plans, you will get a commission. So what we'll have to do when you come to this website, you have to scroll down. You have to scroll to this place here where it's written affiliate program. You have to come to this place and sign up here. After you sign up, you will get an email. So let's see how much will you be earning every month just by referring people to come to this website and buy one of these plans here. As you see, one of these, how much will you be getting every month? So let's see. When you refer someone to that website, you will be earning this amount. Blue Screen affiliate program, you can earn this amount every month as affiliate. So if you refer somebody and buy one of those plans there, you will earn this amount every month. So how it works, here is the explanation how you will be doing to start promoting this website and get paid 30% just to send somebody to this website. You will get paid. So as you see here, when you come, this is for free, just for free for you to sign up. You don't need to provide anything, just you have to add your email and password. That's all, your email and password. Here down there's explanation for everything. When you sign up this, then you have to sign up to this app. When you finish to sign up, and then you come to this, you sign up to the app group and you create an account in this website here. This is another website that represents this blue screen. So you have to, after you sign up on this website, you have to come to this and sign up. Then you have to send them email in order for them to give you all the details. They just answer less than 2 days. When you send them email, they will give you all the information. Step 2, you'll get all the links. So when you come to this website, you will have to scroll onto this place here, so from there, when you get your links, you can start promoting this website. And if someone comes and pays one of these plans, you will get paid this amount every month. You will get this amount straight to your account, to your bank account or PayPal. So thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, please subscribe And please let me know something in the comment below and tell me what I have to do in order for me to increase my videos, and what I have to do, because what I see, this is my second video, so I have started a few days ago. Please let me know something in the comment below. I will appreciate it. So again, thank you so much for watching my video. The link, if you want more information, please check in my description below. There you will find everything regarding to this website. You just have to click in, and it will take you to this website where you will be able to sign up and start earning this amount for free every month. So thank you very much.